Joint pain in the knees, elbows, and hands is a common issue that many people attribute to aging. This belief often leads to the assumption that such pain is normal, and as a result, many don't seek treatment. However, when your body is in pain, it experiences stress, and if knee pain is left untreated, it can lead to more severe problems such as joint misalignment. There are several causes of knee pain, including overuse, changes in bone density, and the natural wear and tear of muscles and tissues. Another factor that often goes overlooked is vitamin deficiency, particularly in calcium, vitamin D, and iron. A lack of these essential nutrients can increase the risk of arthritis and joint inflammation. The good news is that joint pain doesn't have to be a lifelong struggle. Many people are unaware that a simple natural remedy can help alleviate this discomfort in just a few days. In today's discussion, we'll explore how to prevent joint and knee pain and how to relieve it naturally. If you've been dealing with knee pain for more than a week, it could be a sign of a more serious issue than just overuse, and you should consider consulting a healthcare professional. Additionally, maintaining a diet rich in vitamins, bromelain, and magnesium is crucial for joint health and pain prevention. One highly effective natural remedy for knee and joint pain is a smoothie made from cinnamon, pineapple, and orange juice. This smoothie is packed with anti-inflammatory properties and contains essential nutrients like silicon, bromelain, vitamin C, and magnesium. Pineapple, rich in vitamin C, plays a vital role in maintaining bone health. It also contains bromelain, a powerful anti-inflammatory enzyme. Cinnamon helps improve blood circulation, and orange juice provides additional vitamin C, which strengthens ligaments and tendons. To make this pain-relieving smoothie, you'll need 2 small cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 1 glass of orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick. Raw natural honey. Instructions: combine the water and oats in a pot and cook for a few minutes. Once the oatmeal is fully cooked, let it cool. In a blender, combine the cooled oats, orange juice, cinnamon, pineapple, and honey. Blend until smooth, adding water if you prefer a thinner consistency. For the best results, drink this smoothie daily. After 5 consecutive days, you should notice significant relief from knee and joint pain. Try this recipe and share your experience in the comments. Did you feel relief? How did you like the taste? If you would like more health tips, follow, like, and subscribe to our channel.